In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this cute handmade hair bow with just one ribbon. No sewing, no complicated steps, and beginner friendly. Let's start. We will be using grosgrain ribbon in 5 cm wide, and this piece here is 40 cm long. First, we will cut the ends into a V shape. After cutting, we will heat seal. This step is super important because it keeps the ribbon from fraying and helps everything stay nice and neat. Next, we will fold the ribbon in half so we can find the center point easily. We will start shaping the bow. Arrange the loops like this until you're happy with the look. This is the shape we're going for. Now, gently gather the ribbon in the center. There. And to hold the shape securely, I'm wrapping it with a cotton thread. Next, we'll attach the bow onto a hair tie using hot glue. For the centerpiece, I'm using a piece of ribbon. We will wrap it around neatly. Trim off the excess ribbon, then we will heat seal the edge before securing it with glue. I will just add a little extra glue on the sides to make everything more sturdy. And that's it, our handmade bow is finished and ready to wear. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy ribbon DIY tutorials. See you next time!
At DJ Baltic, dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft